welcome to Florida Atlantic University's Architecture Summer Institute. The Architecture Summer Institute is a program designed for students who are high school sophomores or higher, so that they can get an understanding of what architecture school is and whether or not it is right for them. The program is run by Lee McFarland, a former FAU School of Architecture graduate, and co-hosted by adjunct professor Christian Fennick, along with the help of current FAU architecture students. In this program, students will be provided all necessary tools and materials and are theirs to keep after the program is completed. The students are shown how each tool works and how to use it properly in order to get the best results. In the first week, students are given a project known as a spatial construct. This project is used in order to instill some fundamental ideas of architecture, such as relationships, connections, mass, and void. Partnered with this project, students begin to learn architectural drawing techniques. These simple constructs are a perfect way for students to understand drawing terms such as elevation, perspective, line weight, and shade, all of which are tools in order to convey ideas. Along with this, students are given a list of architectural terminologies which can help them in order to understand and describe their projects. Within these 2 weeks, the program also has other professors join in and give lectures on their specific areas of expertise. These areas include color and architecture, structures, the history of architecture, and drawing techniques. As well as having teachers come in, students also go out. The program schedules a number of field visits to local architecture firms in order to help the students not only understand how the architecture school works, but how the profession works as well. On one of these trips, we take a look at the School of Architecture's Upper Division, which is located in nearby downtown Fort Lauderdale. Here, students get to see what studio life is like, see the projects students work on, see some of the resources the school has to offer, and enjoy a pizza lunch provided by the school. In the final week, a nearby site is chosen for the students to work on. A site visit allows the students to understand where they are building, and allows them to interact and see what the site has to offer. After the site visit, students begin their final project, which is a personalized space for themselves. They begin by analyzing the human scale and deciding how much space they would truly need to live there. The project explores human scale, relationships of space, and site context. At the end of this 2-week program, students give a final pin-up and presentation for a jury of teachers and TAs. Here, students use their new knowledge and vocabulary to present their projects for evaluation just as they would in school. The main goal of this program is to expose students to architecture so they can better understand whether or not it is really the major they want to pursue. While we do encourage students to apply to FAU, students are given the resources to help guide them to the school that is right for them. While this program is meant to replicate the architecture school experience, we also must add that the program is enjoyable. The studio experience is a very relaxed atmosphere, and students are encouraged to talk and interact, as communication and having another point of view are some of the main ways for a project to grow. At the end of this program, students will come away with an experience of what architecture school is like, as well as some fundamental knowledge which will help them should they continue to pursue architecture. For any information regarding this program, please contact Lee